Fill Bond Universal Bonding Agent. The most expensive liquid on earth got more affordable. Fill Bond is a light-cured single-component, one-step self-etch adhesive designed to bond composite resins to dentin, enamel, zirconia, alumina, metals, porcelain, lithium disilicate, and composite restorations. As a universal adhesive, Fill Bond is compatible with light-cured, dual-cured, and auto-cured composites, no activator required. Convenient one-step application. For use on all surfaces. Wet, moist or dry surfaces. No post-operative sensitivity. Extremely high bond strengths to all direct and indirect restorations. Reality Research Laboratory. Compatible with dual and self-cure composites without the use of an additional activator step. 5.5 micron film thickness. Gentle 2.8 pH level on application. Totally compatible with all techniques: total etch, selective etch, self-etch, light cure, self-cure, dual cure. Fill Bond is a highly effective universal bonding agent that gives a great bond to both enamel and dentin regardless of the technique: total etch, no etch, or selective etch. Simple, versatile, and a great price. Jack Griffin, DDS. In regard to universal bonding agents, Dental Saving Club's Fill Bond is at the top of the food chain. Its combination of bond strength and value is absolutely unparalleled. A must in each of my dental clinics. Dr. Daniel Havsepian, DMD. Fill Bond, when used with light cured composite, has bond strengths to prepared enamel and dentin equal to or exceeding other, established and top-rated bonding agents. Step 1. Etch tooth surface for 15 seconds, then rinse. Step 2. Shake bottle. Step 3. Dispense 1-2 drops into well. Step 4. Apply Fill Bond to enamel and dentin. Step 5. Dry adhesive. Step 6. Reapply second coat of Fill Bond. Air dry, then light cure. To order Fill Bond, please call 1-888-768-1230 or online at dentalsavingsclub.com.